Hello everyone, good evening. So today I am going to represent a topic just like unemployment. So as we know that most of there are so many notion of the people that they think that we are unemployed because that most of the people tell so tell that government is responsible for it, and some people say that the public is responsible for it. But according to me, you can't blame any particular person and any particular government and any particular group, because all people are having the sharing in the unemployment. Suppose what we just like, if I would like to give you an example, just like if we make any building, so first of all we have to make the basement very strong, then the building will be strong. So because so that this is the same thing with our life, just like for the starting schooling life, the schooling life is very important to make ourselves confident and strong, and to go any field very confidently. And here, if we are strong in any field and if we are confident, so no one can make us unemployed, and we can't be unemployed in future. So in our schooling life, that most our family, there is no any planning with the future, with the just like parents don't plan the future of their children. They just tell you have to go to school, you have to clear the master, the BCom, BSc, etc courses you have to do, but they don't tell us how to do it and how to overcome it. Just like nowadays, the most of the youths are having the fear of doing creative things. Just like today's generation, most of the children are not able to raise their voice in any sector, and in any in the classroom they don't get confidence, because that in the school they just get the bookies information, not the real practical life information about that. So because of this lackage of information, that most of the people are unemployed. Suppose in the school that we are just given subject wise information. If they just give us the, if someone want to become doctor, engineer, and etc, they want to go accept any etc field, they should be given the practical life, and it can be done by some presentations, some role plays, and etc information. And so many people can share their experience with the children, that what types of problem they are going to face in future. So that we can't only blame the particular just like school and our parents. We can say about our society also, that that our society and our relative also, they criticize us. Sometimes they just compare the person, just like in suppose a person is not able to clear any exam and anything, and he just failed. So they, what they do, they don't tell and they don't mentor that person, they just criticize it. They tell that you are not able to do, and you can't be, you would not be able to do it ever. So these type of criticism, that it make the children unconfident and depressed about it. So because, and for making it, they should help us, for making our future more brighter. They should support us in this situation, because in this situation the most of the people need the treatment, not your suggestion. They just, you have to treat them as just like it's okay, you can do it, and better luck for the next time. These type of comment can make them very confident. And then the second thing is the pressurization that we get from the our family, that most of the families are expecting that my children will do this type of thing, and this type they pass out this type, but they don't think that because of their pressurization, that the children is not able to do anything new in his life, and he can't be creative in any field. So this type of mentality we should clear out from our society. And if I talk about the government, that there are so many things can government with so many things can do government with the public. Just like they can change the education system of the school, college, universities, and this will help. Just like in the school, college, and universities, they should. They should provide us the bookies information as well as the practical. So, and second, that they should, and government should open the doors of the opportunities of the jobs. Just like there are so many companies, they are just run because of foreigners. So they should make some composition that these type of youth you have to hire, and making them higher. They should make them prepare all these type of targets. Just like when we prepare for JEE and NEET and UPSC, we are being prepared by so many sectors. But in the life, but we are not made to prepare for crack any other sector exam. So this type of improvement can help us, and this type of improvement can help the youth to make their life more brighter. Thank you.